Today we will learn network printer installation. How to install the printer in our client system. Here in this network, the printer are connected with our server system. Our server system name is server.example.com, and we want to install this printer in our client system in station 11. So here our printer server name is server.example.com, and the install printer is a generic text only printer. So how to install the printer in our client system? So first of all, we install the printer in our client system. So finally we call to network printer. For that, first of all we open the printer configuration window. For that we click on system, click on administrator, then click on printing option. Now open the printer configuration window, just click new printer, set the printer name, click forward button. After click on forward button, open the next screen. Here we set the printer name is a printer. Now we want to select the connection which we want to use to connect the printer. Here we select the Internet Printing Protocol IPP, and then set a host name of a server where we want to set a printer. Here server.example.com is our server where we connect the printer. Then set a printer name printer. Then after click on forward button. Click on forward button and open next screen. Here we select the Internet Printing Protocol. Now set a printer name generic. Then click on next button. Then use a text only printer. Then click on apply. Finally the printer is installed in our client computer. Click on apply button. Your printer full path is see on a screen. Here we install the generic text only printer in our client computer, where printer are connected with server system. Server name is server.example.com. Here you see the printer. Just see in our printer configuration window. Here one printer is installed in our computer. Just select the printer and see the printer information. Left side panel, you see the printer, select the printer, so you see the printer information. If you want to make a default printer, just click on make default printer button. If you want to take a printer test page, click on print test page button. Finally quit the printer configuration window. Then come to on our terminal. So here we install the printer. First of all, we restart the printer responsible service CUPS service with the service CUPS restart command. Finally service is restart. Here CUPS is a printer responsible service. Finally open the open the Firefox, our web browser, and in our address bar just type address http then localhost with port number 631. Press enter. Now our printer system, common Unix printing system, is open. Here you manage the printer with HTTP. Click on manage printer, and here you see the install printer The printer model is a generic text only. If you want to default printer, set a default as a printer. If you want to set a printer as a default, just click on set as a default button. Type a username and password of our server system. So here you also manage the install printer with HTTP. Here type a username root and enter a password of our Linux system. Root and password server. Press OK button. So finally printer is set to as a default printer. There we also manage a printer with a HTTP port with the web. Now we open the printer configuration window. We also set the printer as a default with graphically like this. Close the printer configuration window. Now come to on our terminal and we give one printout with lpr command. lpr/etc/fdisk. lpr is a command for we are used for printing any document through command prompt. lpr and then set a path of file. /etc/fstep. Press enter. Finally fstep files job are printing. If you want to see the information of printing job, open our web browser and open the link localhost with port number 631 http localhost 631 port. Press enter. So here just click on job. Finally you see the printing job information. Here you also manage a job with HTTP. So here you manage a printer with HTTP and graphically both.